everyone and welcome back to our channel, Haul the Anchor. We are Susan and Terry, a married couple from County Kerry in Ireland, who together with our little family love to take you on our adventures in our self-converted camper van. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our adventures this year.
You want one of them as well?
Where are we going?
Yeah? The zoo.
Hi everyone, we're here in Cobh and we're waiting for the train to Fota Island Wildlife Park. We stayed here last night at the 5-foot way. We've stayed here lots of times before and found it very good, so we're excited to go to the zoo today.
Where are we going today, Brian?
Oh, the zoo.
Zoo.
And it's something we haven't done before, taking the train from Cobh, so it should be good fun.
Two adults.
the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
No.
Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
There's a hamburger like
Thank you.